there are two methods for solution, and there are different levels of solution, such as feasible solution, optimum feasible solution, and the two methods, graphical solution and simplex method. So the derivation of or attainment of or achievement of solution to a linear programming problem is very important to a manager. Discussing about the solution to a linear programming problem. Linear programming is a management decision situation, and every situation should have a solution. So we have to derive a solution for a problem. So linear programming is a problem. It is defined as, or it is known as LPP. So here we discuss the components of a linear programming problem. Linear programming problem. So that's a problem. What is the problem? Here the problem is to suggest values for decision variables. That's the components of a linear programming problem. One is decision variable. That is, we have to decide about values for the variables. That is subject to our objective function. Objective function is to be optimized. So we have two components, decision variables. The values are to be decided, which optimizes the objective function. With respect to our conditions, linear constraints, the equality or inequality representing availability and requirement conditions, and one more mathematical term, non-negativity conditions. So that's a problem. It's a problem termed as LPP, linear programming problem. Once again, it's a method of suggesting decision variables, values for decision variables subject to optimization of objective function, satisfying linear constraints and non-negativity conditions. Then we have several stages of solution. One is subject to, this is the first factor, so subject to linear constraints. So any solution which satisfies linear constraints is called feasible solution. That's a definition. What is feasible solution? Which is feasible, which is acceptable, which is satisfying our linear constraints, any value or any set of values satisfying our availability and requirement conditions is called feasible solution. That is important. Then among the feasible solutions, if there is any solution which optimizes, that means according to demand, either maximization or minimization, is called optimum feasible solution. That is, there are two levels of solution, feasible solution and optimum feasible solution. That is, once again, any solution satisfies constraints. Constraints is called feasible solution. That is the first stage. We are looking for availability and requirement conditions. Any conditions or any solutions which are suitable for our constraints is called feasible solution. Feasible. And among the feasible solutions which optimizes the objective function is called optimum solution. So we have decision variables, objective function, linear constraints, non-negativity conditions in the formulation of a problem. And in the solution, we have feasible solution and optimum feasible solution. A linear programming is a situation of planning, and for every planning we need a solution. Planning is used for deriving a solution. So linear programming, it is a problem. That's a LPP. It's a management decision problem. Hence, we should have a solution for that decision. So in linear programming, a problem has different levels, components, objective function, linear constraints, non-negativity conditions, etc. What about the types of solution? In every management decision problem, what are the different categories of solution to a linear programming problem? That is, the values for decision variables satisfying constraints which optimizes objective function. Let us look for the types of solution. A linear programming problem may have no solution. We have a problem, but that may not have a solution. That is one case, that's the first case, or that's a case. And a unique solution. What is unique solution? There is one and only one. To solve a problem, to face a problem, we have one and only one solution giving an optimum. In some other cases, a linear programming problem may have a finite number of, a countable number of solutions providing same optimum. We have different solutions. And in other cases, in some other case, it has infinite number of solutions providing same value. We have infinite number of solutions. And the last one is unbounded solution. Unbounded. This infinite number of solutions and unbounded solutions are different. What is meant by unbounded solution? That's a special case of management decision problem. Suppose we apply a simple change, minimization of cost. It is transformed to maximization of cost. What about the maximum value of cost? Suppose you are planning to maximize your expenditure on an event. What about the maximum? It has no limit, no boundary. That is unbounded. So these two are different. Infinite number of solutions giving same optimum value of Z. We have several combinations of values for decision variables. And unbounded means it has no boundary, only sky is the limit. Example, maximization of cost. And among these solutions, one type of problem is different or having a special interest to manager. That is a problem having no solution. Then there is no need for spending time to find solution for such problems. That's a special category in management decision theory. It is called infeasible LPP. Infeasible. That is a problem having no solution. It is called infeasible LPP. That's a special case of linear programming problem. How will you derive solution to a linear programming problem? What are the mathematical methods? Usually we have two methods. One is graphical method of solution and other is simplex method. That is, for finding a solution to a linear programming problem, we have two different methods. One is graphical method and the other is simplex method. The graphical method is a method. Its application is restricted only for problems having two variables. If a linear programming problem having two decision variables can be solved graphically, since graph is two-dimensional, length and breadth, x-axis and y-axis. So graphical method is restricted to two-variable problem. A linear programming problem in two variables can be solved graphically. If more than two variables, graphical method cannot be used, then we use a method known as simplex method. Simplex. That is not a pure mathematical method. It is a method known as iterative. Iterative. We are using a trial and error method for deriving a solution to a linear programming problem. A problem in two variables can be solved by graphical as well as simplex method, but a problem having more than two variables can be solved only by simplex method. Graphical method is comparatively convenient, but simplex method is not so convenient since it is not a pure mathematical method. It is a method termed as iterative method. Then next session we'll describe or we try to study the graphical method of solving a linear programming problem. So, we discussed several types of solutions to a linear programming problem. What is solution? The method of suggesting values for decision variables which optimizes objective function subject to linear constraints, subject to availability and requirement conditions. There are different levels of solutions. What are they? A linear programming problem may have no solution. We have some requirements, some availabilities, some and an objective function, but it is having no solution. It is called infeasible linear programming problem, infeasible LPP. In some cases, we have a unique solution, one and only one. In some other problems, may have more than one solution. In some cases, we have infinite number of solutions and one more, unbounded solution. Only sky is the limit. That is maximization of cost. There is only one limit, sky. So it is called unbounded, having no boundaries. A manager can achieve his optimum without any boundaries. An unbounded solution that has a special importance, special interest in linear programming problem. And in the next class, I am planning to introduce graphical solution. And I have a request to the viewers. Please go for the links which are prescribed, which are given in the description box. Okay, thank you.